Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream in a blender. First, ensure your heavy cream is very cold. This is crucial for proper whipping. You'll also need 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar for sweetness and about a half teaspoon of vanilla extract for a delightful flavor. Gather these simple ingredients and let's get started on this easy dessert topping. Now, let's prepare your blender. Make sure your blender pitcher and blade are completely clean and dry. Carefully pour about 1.5 to 2 cups of your very cold, heavy cream into the blender. Start blending on a low speed for approximately 30 seconds. This initial step helps the cream begin to thicken slightly before we increase the speed. Once the cream has slightly thickened, it's time to add the flavor. Carefully add 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract to the blender. Secure the lid and blend on a medium speed. Watch closely as the cream transforms, continuing to blend until soft peaks begin to form, which usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. For stiffer whipped cream, increase the blender speed to high and continue blending, but be very careful not to overblend. Stop as soon as stiff peaks form, typically within another 30 seconds to 1 minute. Overblending can quickly turn your whipped cream into butter. Enjoy your fresh whipped cream immediately, or store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.